I'm going to do a double arrow wrap. And so first thing I need is a filler. So you could use whatever, it just needs to be relatively thin. I'm going to use some 1/4 inch flat oval that I've got. And I want to cover half the hoop or the handle. So I am going to put these side by side. I need a little bit of room in between here. And then I am just going to, you can take a clip, that's fine. Or, you know, like my rubber band toggle thing that I do. Okay, so that's where I'm starting out at. So then what I want to do is, I'm going to get my wrapper going. And I'm going to use black cane today. And hopefully you won't get as much glare, so you'll be able to see it. So the wrapper wants to be long. Remember that cane has a flat side and an oval side. You want the oval side out. So once again, you're going to start your tail diagonally across, and you're going to wrap over it for about, it's a pretty fine cane, so I'll probably go about 4 this time. You don't want it on top of each other, you just want it snug and right next to each other. And all you're trying to do at this point is just get your setup secure so we can start doing the weave. Yeah, maybe I'll just do 3. Okay, so I lied, I'm going to do 4. So then I'm going to take this clip back here and just hold that for a second. So I have my 3 wraps on my 2 fillers, and then what I've done is I've taken a weaver and I've stuck it underneath the rim filler. Okay, and I want it with a flat side towards me. And then I am going to take 1 wrap, and then I start with my right hand weaver and I go around the right around the right filler, and I'll hold that with my thumb so it doesn't go anyplace. And then I will take the left weaver and I will put it around the left filler. Okay, and then I'm going to wrap 1. Okay, so I've got a wrapper and 1 weaver that I'm doing this with. So let's do it again. Make sure these are good and wet by spraying. All right, so I'm all set to go. I'm going to take my right weaver and I'm going to put it underneath the right filler. Then I'm going to take the left weaver and put it underneath the left filler, and then I'm going to make sure that's as tight as I can get it, and I'm going to do a wrap around with my wrapper. Okay, once again, I'm going to take my right weaver. I'm going to put it underneath my right filler. I'm going to take my left weaver and put it underneath my left filler. And then I'm going to wrap around again. Once I get that wrap on there, I can come back and tighten it if I want. Okay, so let's do it again. Right weaver goes underneath the right filler. Left weaver goes underneath the left filler. And then we wrap. I have a really long wrapper that I probably don't need, so that's why it's getting tangled up. But anyway, you get the gist here. So I'm going to do this one more time. Right weaver goes underneath the right filler. Left weaver goes underneath the left weaver, and then you wrap all the way around. Then you can come back and tighten that up once you've done the wrap. And since my wrapper has turned into the wrap monster back here. Anyways, so that's the look that you're trying to achieve on this one. Let's try something else. So look what happens when I change my colors on this arrow weave. First of all, you can actually see it, but and that's with all black. Can't really see the design, but once again, when you change it up with some different colors, these are my fillers are turquoise, my weavers are just white, and my wrapper's black. But what a difference. So I'm gonna just do a couple rows with this so you can see once again. Right goes underneath the right filler, left goes under the left filler, and then you wrap with the black. See it again. Right goes under the right filler, left goes under the left filler, and then you wrap. But anyways, just so you can see what that looks like and the incredible difference between this and that, and it's the same weave.